Hello, everyone. Happy holidays and Happy New Year to all of you. As we look ahead for 2026, our industry is entering a new phase where networks, security, AI, photonics, and sensing are no longer evolving independently. They are actually converging. And this convergence will fundamentally change the way we design, deploy, and test networks, data centers, and critical infrastructure. So let me share with you some of my predictions on where this is heading next year. My first prediction is that AI data centers will force the shift to ultra-high speed, fabric-aware deployment and testing. So AI workloads are exploding, and the training and inference are at scale are driving unprecedented demand for 400 gig, 800 gig, 1.6 terabit, and actually soon 3.2 terabit Ethernet. And this is reshaping the data center architectures around massive GPU and XPU fabrics. But traditional throughput tests won't cut it here. You need validation that can model real AI traffic patterns, like the O-reduce operations, the bursty east-west flows, the congestion cascades, the tail latency sensitivity. All of this will require cost-efficient emulation of GPU workloads, and that will be very essential for testing the performance of these new fabrics. My second prediction is that AI native threat will force and reshape cybersecurity and quantum-safe communications. See, cybersecurity today is entering this AI versus AI era, where attackers are using AI to do phishing and polymorphic malware and identity spoofing, and defenders at the same time are also using AI in autonomous defense and agentic defense system. At the same time, post-quantum cryptography, PQC, and quantum key distribution, KQD, are moving from theory to actual implementation and validation. And that will include testing for crypto agility, performance under load, and key life cycle management at scale. And we will see this kind of hybrid model, PQC, KQD with classical, with interoperability between key management systems. That will be the norm rather than the exception. Also in 2026, AI RAN will move from trial to first field trials, right? And it will demand this closed loop testing to understand the training biases, the model drift, the energy efficiency, the radio performance. And at the same time, photonics and fiber will reassert itself as a strategic physical layer. We'll see coherent optics, hollow and multi-core fiber, integrated photonics, fiber sensing, all increasingly tied to AI-driven analytics and digital twins. This will enable more of the predictive assurance rather than reactive troubleshooting. Another prediction for 2026 is positioning, timing, and navigation, as well as integrated sensing and communication, will become really national security priority. You see, geopolitical shifts, GNSS vulnerability, and growing reliance on precision timing, specifically for AI data centers, telecom, financial systems, and energy grids, all of these are elevating timing resilience to a national security priority. At the same time, integrated sensing and communication will move from research to proof of concept. This is where networks will not just carry data anymore. It will actually sense, localize, detect, defend physical environments from ports and railways to energy infrastructure and smart cities. So that's pretty much my predictions for 2026. And you can notice there is a common thread across all of them. They focus on validating behavior, optimizing AI solutions, understanding resiliency and trust at scale. And this is where VIAVI plays a very pivotal role to lead this transition from our speed test to intelligent AI-driven, quantum-safe, sensing-aware validation, digital twin optimization platform. This will define how the next generation of networks and communications are built and protected. So thank you, and I'm looking forward to a very successful 2026. Thank you so much.